Good morning, students. How are you all today? You all like learning stories or reading stories, Hannah? So, today in English literature, we are going to read a story, and the title of the story is The Three Little Pigs. It is a moral story. So, let's see what this story tells us. Once upon a time, there lived three little pigs in a forest. Their names were Piggly, Wiggly, and Swiggly. They would play all day in the forest and at night sleep under a banyan tree. So as you can see, there was three pigs. They were brothers and the names were Piggly, Wiggly, and Swiggly. Okay, so they were all very naughty and they used to play all day long. They lived in that forest and they used to play all day long. And at night, they used to sleep under a banyan tree. So they didn't have any house. So they used to sleep under a big banyan tree, which was in the forest. Okay, so let's move forward. One day, a wicked wolf came to live in the forest. He began to eat the animals there one by one. So, what happened? One day in that forest, a wicked wolf came. So, who is a wicked wolf? Wicked means bad wolf. A bad wolf came to live in that forest. And what did he do? He began to eat small animals one by one. Okay, he began to hunt different animals and eat them. Okay, so the pigs were very scared. What happened? So when they heard this, no, this wolf has come and he is eating all the animals, these pigs also become very scared and they decided that they must build their own houses as it was no longer safe to sleep under the tree. So they were scared, and what did they decided? They decided to build their own houses. They wanted to build their own houses so that they will be safe from the wolf. Okay, so they understood that it is no longer safe to sleep under the tree. They didn't have any houses, so in the night they used to sleep under the banyan tree. But after this wolf came, they understood that it was not safe and they should sleep in a house. So they decided to make houses. Okay, now let's see. Swiggly, who was the laziest of all? So Swiggly was the laziest of the three pigs. Okay, he decided to make his house with straw. What is straw? Straw is dried grass or stalks of plants. Okay, so he decided to make a house, his house with straw, and he gathered some straw from a farm and quickly put together his straw hut. Okay, so he put a straw hut with the help of straws which he has gathered from the uh, farm. Okay, now, and he was very happy. He has made a house very quickly. So let's see what happened. He asked his brothers to stay with him, but they refused. They wanted to make their own houses. So what happened? These his house was finished very quickly, so he asked his brothers to uh, stay with him, but they refused. They wanted to make their own houses, so they said, no, you stay with in your house, we will make our own house. Okay, so what happened? At night, the wicked wolf came upon Swiggly's house. He huffed and he puffed and he blew the house down. Swiggly ran away to the forest just in time. So what happened? At night, this wicked wolf came to the Swiggly's house and he huffed and he puffed. He puffed and huffed and blew the house down. Okay, what happened when this wolf huffed and puffed? The house was broken down. Okay, and Swiggly ran away to the forest just in time. Just in time, Swiggly was able to escape. Otherwise, the wolf would have eaten him. Okay, so he ran away. Now, what happened? So, Swiggly went to Wiggly's place to take shelter. So, Swiggly went to Wiggly's. So, his other brother's house, where Wiggly was busy making his own house with sticks. So Swiggly made his house with straws, which was broken by the wolf. Now, when he reached Wiggly's house, he was also making his house, but he was making his house with the sticks. So both of them dug the sticks deep into the ground and finished making the house. So Swiggly also helped Wiggly, and both of them dug the sticks in deep into the ground to make it more stronger and finished making the house. Okay, they now felt safe from the wicked wolf. So after the house was made, they felt very safe from the wicked wolf. They thought that they will be safe from the wicked wolf. So do you know the straw house and stick house? So these are kacha houses. We have learned kacha house in the previous chapter also. Okay, so these both houses were kacha houses, so they were not that much strong, but they this pigs did not know that this is not strong. They thought that these houses were very strong, and they were very happy that they have made the houses. Okay, now let's see. Sure enough, the wolf came that night. So the after this house was made, that night also the wolf came to Wiggly's house. And what did he do? He again huffed and he puffed. He blew Wiggly's house down too. So what did he do? He again, this wolf again huffed and puffed. Huffed and puffed means he blew the house. Okay, blew on the house very strongly. And what happened? The house broken down, and Wiggly's house was also down. Okay, he blew the Wiggly's house also. So this house was also not strong. So we can say Wiggly's and Swiggly's house was temporary houses or kacha houses. It was not very strong as seen. Okay, it was seen very nice, but we can see that it was very nice looking, but it was not very strong. Now what happened? Both Swiggly and Wiggly ran for their lives. So just in time, here also they escaped the wolf. Okay, Swiggly and Wiggly ran away from there, and they ran straight to Piggly, who was the wisest of the three. So they reached their third brother, whose name was Piggly. Okay, and he was the wisest of them. Wisest means sensible. Okay, so there, what did they see? They saw he was working hard constructing his house. Okay, so when they reached Piggly's house, he was also constructing a house, and he was working very hard. Piggly was making his house with cement and bricks. So the others made Swiggly made the house with straw. Piggly Wiggly made the house with sticks, but Piggly was more wise, and he was constructing or making his house with cement and bricks. So what is the house which is made by cement and bricks called? We have learned it is called pakka house. So here Piggly was trying to make a pakka house. Okay, so Swiggly and Wiggly saw that a lot of work still needed to be done. Piggly So when Swiggly and Wiggly reached, they saw that the house was not complete, and a lot of work was also there. So they thought that today we will be eaten by the wolf because the house is not complete. How will we complete this house by nightfall? And at night this wolf comes. Okay, so what happened? Piggly told his brothers not to worry. Like Piggly told, don't worry, and that if the three of them work together, they would build a strong house before nightfall. So Piggly told his brothers that you should not worry. If we all three work together, we can build the strong house before nightfall. Before the wolf comes in the night, we can complete our finish our work. Okay, and we can finish our house, or we can make our house which is more stronger than their houses. Okay, now let's see what happened. Did they finish their house or not? So they finished. At last they finished their house, and that night also the big bad wolf was there. So he reached Piggly's house. He took a look at Piggly's house, and he huffed and he puffed, but could not glue the house down. So he saw Piggly's house, so he thought that this house is also not strong, so I can glue it down. And he started puffing and huffing. Okay, he huffed and he puffed, and what happened? But could not blow the house down. When the wolf huffed and puffed, this house was not broken. Okay, so he was very angry. Again, he huffed and he puffed. So he again tried. He again huffed and he puffed, but he could not blow the house down. Then also, this house was not broken down. Then he kept trying till he felt tired and too weak to trouble the pigs. So the whole night, this wolf tried to huff and puff and blew down the house, but that house was very strong and it did not fall down. So this wolf became very tired and weak, and he left there from there. Okay, he left from there and he stopped troubling the pigs. Okay, now Swiggly and Wiggly realized the importance of working hard and working as a team. So the three pigs lived happily ever after. So after this incident, when the wolf went away, Swiggly and Wiggly realized the importance of working hard. They have worked hard all day, and they have also worked in a team. Three pigs joined together to make the house, which was very strong, and their lives were saved. So Swiggly and Wiggly realized the importance of working hard and working as a team. So, and these three pigs lived very happily ever after in that strong house. Okay, and do you know what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is that hard work and dedication pays off. If we do hard work and if we do our work very dedicatedly, we will get a positive result. Okay, we will get a positive result. So the moral of the story is hard work and dedication pays off. So this was all about the story, and I think you all have understood the story. Go through the story. We will do the exercises in our next class. Okay, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the class. Thank you. Have a nice day.